Hello, channel subscribers, audience, everyone out there, good day. How to feel worthy. First, you don't need to be brave and you don't need to be confident in order to feel worthy. You do need to take responsibility for your value. So to take responsibility for your value means that you act in line with your understanding that you are valuable. Yeah. You take full responsibility for your entire life. You take full responsibility for every situation that you're in, and you take full responsibility for the results of all your choices. Done. That's knowing your value. That's having self-worth. I did it. I'm going to live with this situation. I'm going to live with the consequences because they're exactly what I need. They must be because I chose to be in them. So act as if you have the power to control every aspect of your life, because you do. Because you take responsibility for everything that comes your way. You know that you're worthy because you're in a situation that's providing you an opportunity to show off your valuable skills. That's pretty good. Every time you take responsibility for the moment you're in right now, you're showing off the skills of responsibility, the ability to respond. So show off your worth. Show it off. Take responsibility, subscribe to the channel, and click that thank you thumb. Live deliberately. Namaste.